Hey, 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 good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Grab a hold of that fine. Swing right on into my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Hey there, good looking. We're just gonna make a quick and short little video on our Instapot, just the middle sweet rolls, or you could also call it monkey bread. I went ahead, I defrosted a frozen loaf of bread dough, and then in this little container, I mixed up some cinnamon sugar, and what you would do is just simply drop your dough balls right in there, such as this. Come over here, and I sprayed my pan here with cooking spray so the rolls don't stick. And I'm just gonna continue on. Grab another dough ball. Come over here. Cover it all up with our cinnamon sugar. Put it right over here into my container or my pie plate. And we're gonna cook these up in my beloved Instapot. So I'm gonna continue on, and I'll bring you along when it's time to sit there and cook these up. But after I have them all done, okay, I have all of our monkey bread all cinnamon sugared up. Now, let this rise until it's double in size. Ooh, do you see what I see? My monkey bread has risen. Now, I'm going to sit there and grab myself another pie plate. I'm going to grab some cooking spray, and we're going to spray the inside of this pie plate, and we're going to put it over the top of the monkey bread. And then we're going to sit there and add 1 cup of water, and we're going to also include placing our trivet that came with our Instapot down inside of the insert of the Instapot. So let me quick give my pie plate cover a good spritz of the cooking spray. All right, I just did that. Now we're just gonna sit there and put it right over the top as such. I'm gonna grab 1 cup of water. We're gonna place a cup of water inside of our Instapot insert. Go ahead, grab that trivet, place that down on the inside. Okay, as you see, I have everything inside of our Instapot. Now, grab your cover. Grab our cover to the Instapot, and we're going to lock that all on into place. Then, we're going to come up here, make sure it's in the closed position. Honey. Come down here, hit the manual button. We're going to put the time for 10 minutes. And I'll see you in 10 minutes when it's monkey bread time. The Instapot just sounded off. Let's do a quick release. Now, let's open up the cover, and always, always, always open the Instapot cover away from you. That way you do not get the steam burns. We pulled the monkey bread out. Now we're going to let it cool down just a tad bit, and then it's bon appetit time. As you see, I got my monkey bread done. Now I'm going to sit there and do the same thing with my bread. I'm going to reuse the same pie plate. I'm going to respray it. We're going to set it on top of our bread, so any of the steam that collects on the inside of the Instapot does not drip down and make our bread soggy. So here's my cover. We got sideline commentary going tonight. So right there's the pie plate or cake pan, whatever you want to call it. We're going to sit there and now place this on the inside of the Instapot as well. While my bread is inside my Instapot here, I'm going to sit there and grab a hunk of monkey bread. Ooh. And we're going to give it a taste test. Mm-hmm. I don't think I'm going to share with the big kahuna. Okay. We will. Hey, big kahuna.
Yes, Mama.
You really think I should share this with him?
Yes.
Watch this. Mm. Oh, yeah, that tastes really good. Let's tear one off for him to try. There you go, babe.
Thank you. Very good, Mama.
Thank you, honey. So, if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And as always, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear? Oh. Uh-huh. So if you think you're gonna get it brown inside of an Instapot, you're not. But it's not gonna taste any different than what it would be in an oven. Now, I've been asked several times by a lot of people if you could do this inside of an Instapot. Well, yes, you can. Right here's the proof. You saw the before, and now you're seeing the after. I'm going to let this cool, and then we'll slice into it. I removed the bread from the pie plate. I put it on a plate. Ooh, look at that. So, all those that asked me, can you make bread in Instapot? You sure can.